How to delete an Instagram account. Open the Instagram app. Tap the profile icon. Tap the menu icon. Tap Settings. Tap Help. Tap Help Center. Tap the search box. Write Delete Account. Tap the Delete Account prompt. Tap How do I delete my Instagram account? Scroll down the page to the section to request the permanent deletion of your account. Tap the Delete Your Account link in the first item of the list. Select why do you want to delete account. Enter the password for your account. Tap the Delete button. Confirm the deletion by tapping OK. After that, your account will be hidden from Instagram. It can be restored within 30 days. It will then be permanently deleted if you do not use the recovery option.